So Elliot's been drinking pretty much all night. We went to a wedding yesterday and he got a bit heavy. But he's sleeping in my bed, which is not on. I thought to myself, if I get some big hoop earrings, get some super glue to Elliot's nipple, then put some chili on it so he thinks it's fresh and so, Elliot's gonna have a chili nipple. Sorry, bro.
Elliot, calm down!
Stop! Recording, alright?
Calm down! Elliot, calm down!
What sicko does this? Who touches my nipples?
Elliot, it's not that bad.
Not that bad!
Elliot,
Calm down! Out my face!
Right, chill out, Elliot.
Come sorry, Chucks, I got a date to go to tonight!
Elliot, you're always on dates.
Yes, Ben, because I'm single as a Pringle, okay?
There's no such thing as single as a Pringle, you donkeys like night chips in a tube.
190 chips, 90 girls, okay?
Elliot, what the heck are you doing? Elliot, stop! You're going to hurt yourself.
One way.
Elliot, you're going to cut your own skin.
One way it's going to come off, alright?
Alright.
What do you expect us to do, Ben?
I don't
Come on,
know, Elliot.
What are we going to do?
You! It's your nipples, not mine! Hey, what are you doing? It's not going to work.
Take it off!
Right, just stay still.
No.
Elliot, let's have a go. Elliot, just put it away.
Don't you laugh. Don't you laugh.
Elliot, what do you want to do? I don't know. It's...
Well, I want to take the other one off. That's what I really want to do.
Exaggerating. You're a flipping drama queen.
Just put your foot down, alright? Blood loss means no circulation to the nipple, which means coma.
You've still got one left, Elliot.
Well, I can't take that off, Ben.
Why?
Because I got surgery on Wednesday. What the bloody
Elliot,
camera wear, right?
calm down.
You're all just freaks.
It's not their fault.
It is their fault, 'cause they wouldn't like the bloody videos, would they?
Alright, calm down, Elliot.
Don't tell me
You
to calm
can't
down.
have this on you for this long.
Ben, my surgery is in 4 days' time. Alright? 3 days' time. Wednesday.
Hey, it's super glue.
I don't
You
care if
can't
it's
wait for
super glue, alright?
surgery. It's... Hey, Elliot? L.